26th of December in Homerton Grammar. I would request each one of you to take out time for this extremely crucial conversation around subject and stream selection. Hello everyone, I am Neha Wahi, a counseling psychologist, an author, a career guidance expert with more than 20 years of experience into career guidance. I'm also a teacher trainer, a parent coach, and a vibration catalyst. I am going to put together all my learning and experiences of these 20 years into career guidance to guide your children on that, because this is going to decide the joy, the happiness, the accomplishment of your child in times and years to come. Yes, after having counseled more than 1,00,000 students over 2,500 prestigious schools, please make advantage of my presence on the 26th in your school. See you then.